Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Maxima Cimenta. I'm founder and CEO of Livara. So we have been making the best natural and organic products here in Uganda by Ugandans for Africa and the world for the last 7 years. Today we decided to tackle beards, guys and beards. So our first point of business was to hit the streets and find out people's opinions on the beards. Later on in the video, we shall show you how to grow and maintain that lovely mane of hair, that liony roar of hair on your face. So stay tuned, watching, and remember to leave your comments down there. We shall respond to them, answer any questions that you have. And if this is your first time on our channel and you haven't yet subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video as far as you possibly can. A guy with beards or not?
A beard. No beards.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Why a beard?
That's personal.
Why no beard?
I like a clean look. I don't want that instance of getting... I just have suspicions about beards. It's probably not clean or something like that. So I just prefer a clean look.
One with beards or no beards?
I prefer one with beards.
Why?
There's that sex appeal they give to me that I love in a man.
Guys with beards or no beard?
A little bit.
A little bit of?
Like, it's not much.
But you like the facial hair?
Yes.
Why?
That's what I want. I can't tell. Like, I can't be with a specific reason why I like that. I just like it.
2 hours later.
Are guys with beards sexier and more manly?
Yeah, they're sexy.
Beard or no beard?
Just that I'm fond with beards, but I'm not that into it. I like when they are so lace, actually, yeah, lace.
Beards or no beard?
Of course beards. No beards.
Why?
Those ones are babies.
A guy with beards or without beards?
I think I'm neutral there.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
Beards or no beards?
Beards.
Why?
I feel it defines more of their masculinity.
Beards or no beards?
To me, as a person, I don't admire a man with beards. They look to me dirty.